Assalamu alaikum boys. Our today's topic is food values and diet. What is diet? The food an animal eat every day is called diet. We have so what is a what are food values basically? You have seen this type of thing written at the back of all the products that you are eating. So this chart has all the things that are present inside it, all the nutrients like fat, like cholesterol, sodium, carbohydrates, dietary fibers, sugar, proteins, vitamins, calcium, everything, vitamin C, iron, everything that is present, and they have their values as well. So this chart is basically showing the food value. What is the value of food that you are eating? Basal metabolism. The amount of energy needed is provided mainly by carbohydrates and fat intake. Your dietary requirements depend on age, sex, and activity. So these are the three things on the basis of which you should eat. So we will discuss them one by one now. Energy demand. According to age, the energy demand increases until we stop growing. While children are growing, they need more protein per kilograms of body weight than adults do. According to sex, generally males uses up more energy than females, and a pregnant woman needs extra nutrients for the development of the fetus. Fetus is the unborn baby. So this is how we can this is how the food or the energy intake is divided normally. If you want to take in anything, you can take according to this requirements. This is a diagram that is showing the energy needs or energy requirements according to age and according to sex. So child which is of 8 years age requires daily requirement of energy is between 2 and 4, while teenage male needs more than 10. Teenage female needs between 8 and 10. Adult male needs 10. Adult female needs almost 8. So this is the 8 millijoules they will need. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the main nutrients in the correct amount and proportions to maintain good health. So, when you're eating properly, we are taking all the nutrients in the correct amount. What are those correct amounts? I will let you know. Then you are having a balanced diet. This is a diagram that is showing that how much serving of uh, different food items you can have. Grains, beans, and starchy vegetables, they are at the base of this pyramid, which is showing that they are we need this the most because these are the carbohydrates, basically starchy vegetables. 6 or more servings you will need. Then fruits, you will need 2 to 4 servings. Vegetables, you need 3 to 5 servings. Milk, you need 2 to 3 servings. And meat or and other things you need, like other like chicken, fish, extra, etc., you need 2 to 3 servings. Now fat, sweets, and alcohol are at the top. It is the most unneeded things, so that is why no serving is needed. It depends on the person. If he needs to eat it, or he needs to drink that alcohol, then the person will do so. Otherwise it is not needed in your diet. Malnutrition is a result of not eating a balanced diet. When you don't eat the balanced diet, the things that are needed in the right amount, then you will have malnutrition. There may be wrong amount of food, too little or too much. You are either eating too much or you are eating too little. Incorrect proportion of main nutrients, and lacking in one or more key nutrients. You are not eating all the nutrients properly. You are either eating one less or one more nutrient. Effects of malnutrition. What will a person what happened to a person when he has malnutrition? Number one is obesity. Obesity, when you become fat, too much food. When you're eating too much food, you become obese, and it means you're eating carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, a lot of them. Too much food, obesity. Obesity leads to diabetes, and then blindness and coronary heart diseases. Coronary heart diseases are the diseases that are related with the arteries. The arteries become blocked. We will do that in the transport of humans in detail. Coronary heart diseases. The second thing that the malnutrition leads to you is coronary heart diseases. Too much saturated animal fat in the diet result in high cholesterol levels. Cholesterol can stick to the walls of the arteries, gradually blocking them. If coronary arteries become blocked, the result can be angina or coronary heart disease, that is heart attack. Coronary arteries are arteries that supply blood to the heart. The next thing that malnutrition can lead to you is starvation. Too little food can result in starvation. When you're not eating as much food that is needed and you're eating less, then you become starving. You will be starving, and the condition is known as starvation. Extreme slimming diets, such as those that avoid carbohydrates, can result in starvation. No, some of the when you are having protein deficiency, then this malnutrition is known as kwashiorkor. Wrong proportion of nutrients, for example, too much carbohydrates, starchy food, and a lack of protein can lead to kwashiorkor in the young children. So it is a disease that is present in the young children. You can see the diagram. It has swollen tummy and chest and his legs and his feet. So this is basically due to lack of carbohydrates. Sorry, lack of proteins. So this is a chart that is showing the deficiency of vitamins, minerals, and fibers, and water. What are the functions of vitamin C, D, calcium, iron, fiber, and water? And what will happen if you are what they are deficient in your body? And what are their food sources? So when you just have to learn this table if you want to if you want to go for a better understanding of the topic.